The enhanced model state workflows include the ability to edit multiple selected model states at a time, share or break shared BOM relationships to the files. We can edit in the table editor. So with 2026, if you go in and edit the table, it does not require Microsoft Excel. You can edit it inside the window here inside of Inventor. Inventor 2025 and older, it would go out and launch the Excel spreadsheet for you. But with 2026, it is not required. You can still launch it to load it in Excel if you would like, or you can edit it right here inside of Inventor using the table editor. You can also delegate and break delegation for any model state to kind of lock it in place there. A new blue dot indicator has been added to the subcontext menus for an instance browser node that is being tracked inside the model states. So if you're making changes and this is linked to a model state, there will be a blue node icon highlighting there for you. It's going to be hidden when you're not editing the model states, but when you are editing components linked to those, it will show up there on the screen showing you that, hey, this is going to affect this model state as well.